Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily change the profile picture of your Gmail account. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the Gmail app on your phone, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on those three lines on the top left corner of the screen, then scroll down all the way, and on the bottom you'll be able to find an option of settings. You'll have to tap on it. After that you'll have to tap on it again, and you'll be able to find an option of your info, privacy and security. You'll have to tap on it, and right here you'll have to tap on the top on that logo, and then it will provide you the option to add a profile picture, or if you have already added a profile picture it will provide you an option to change it. You'll have to tap on add profile picture. Now there are two options. There are some illustrations, animated pictures that you can use as your profile picture, or you can simply tap on the top right corner on device photos, and from there you can tap on browse or take a random photo, or in my case I will choose one of these illustrations. So I will tap on like this one, and after that tapping it you will be able to change its color like this. I will keep it red, and then hit next, and then hit save as profile picture, and it will be saved as my profile picture. So that's how you can easily change your profile picture on your Gmail account. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.